achievers and the non-academic achievers for the Humanities and Social Sciences section Socrates, together with their advisor. Their award will be given by their advisor, Mr. Joel Sarlica. With high honors, Montero Alexa Faith E. With honors, Antoque Kurt Ruel P. Arcadio Arlene May B. Second runner-up in the Dahono Festival's 18th Invitational Parade and Band Competition. Arcaya Mabel S. Atienza Princess Riva T. Bagaan Dea Faith B.